Hi, my name is Peter Arnold, owner-operator of Mindwork Productions, a new and exciting startup out of Port Orchard, Washington. I have a Bachelor's of Science in Software Design, and I'm a veteran of the U.S. Army. I recently changed my career field from being an engineer on the hardware side of high-end imaging medical equipment to the fun side of software development. And in conjunction with Woody, we have developed a simple widget to find a new way to solve an old problem. We all need to eat, don't we? It is always nice to be able to stay in the meta while you get your order in. And now to Woody.
Hi, my name is Woody Shai Lee. I am a mobile developer, specifically on iOS mobile app development. At the same time, I love to be working on doing VR app development.
Well, now that you've met us, why don't we get on to what our app actually is? And to that effect, let's let Woody take it from here. Woody?
So here's an idea for our project. Imagine yourself, playing a game or hang out in a VR community, and all of a sudden you're, hungry, and you are, typically you would want to, take out your headset, go back to the real world, and then do your ordering. But how come? But why can't we just stay in the VR world and be able to do something like ordering food just from there, and be able to order food, have it processed, deliver without ever having to remove your headset?
Well, Woody, why don't we just show them what we mean? And here is Order Food Alpha in operation. Okay, this is our Order Food app. This would be playing as a widget or an overlay on the video game you're playing. We have a scene in the background just for show. The main app can be manipulated, as you can see. You can move it back, forth, move it out of your way, enlarge it, make it smaller. Here we are selecting the category. Selecting the category will change the panel, and then you can select which restaurant you actually want to order from. At the top there, we got Duber Dash. This is your delivery service. And now you're into the menu. Here you select the menu items you would like to order. And here's your order button. And your order is successfully sent to whichever delivery service you had in mind. And it'll take you to a pay site to pay for your food. And your order is in.
So our idea for installing this application is that we would like to think of it more as a widget, where it can reside in other people's game or VR forum and so forth. That way they can just use our stuff, get everything, process the order, and still be inside their application.
Thanks, Woody, for that explanation. As you can see right now, our app is using a JSON to pull all the information across. End goal would be to have different APIs or communication between APIs with different sites to actually get delivery notification, cost, and payment. Uh, and a little bit more on how we're doing it with our JSON. Here's Woody again.
Uh, to explain a little bit more about how we develop this application, we are using the Mixed Reality Toolkit SDK to build the UI, but at the same time, we would like to make sure that these data are actually not static. We actually, just to simulate retrieving data from remote server, we built like a JSON format. And our code is actually read from that JSON, parse it, and then populate that onto the UI.
Myself and Woody both want to thank Microsoft for the chance to work with such an elegant UI, the MRTK3. MRTK3 greatly expands Unity's own application and is easily expandable for all needs of the meta. I hope we met the challenge, a new way to solve an old problem. Again, thanks to Microsoft for the opportunity to work with MRTK3, and we had fun doing this project. Thank you again.